Welcome to engineering drawing for online lessons. So I think this is the first class and we are going to learn the course objectives for the introduction part. So let us see what is the background of engineering drawing. Means to understand the importance of engineering drawing and to know the use of engineering drawing instruments, to understand types of methods of learning, lettering and numbering, to understand the types and methods of dimensioning, to study about the method of geometrical constructions and its applications, to understand the principle of projection of points, lines, planes, solids, to understand the method of orthographic projections and their applications, to know about the need of sectional views. So like this we are going to learn the objectives. I think this is the syllabus which we are after completion of the subject we are going to learn. So now let us start the importance of the engineering drawing. Let us give the introduction to engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is the universal graphical language for engineers. It is the graphical representation of real thing. It is used to draw, develop, record and convey the ideas from one to other. Importance of engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is the language of engineers. It is a way for communicating engineers' ideas, designers, and thoughts to others. For all engineering branches like mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer technology, textiles, production, automobile, architectural, metallurgical, marine, and instrumentation, mining engineering, and aeronautical engineering. Drawing is the start point. It is a universal language of engineers and it is spoken, read, written in its own way. Like all other languages, engineering drawing also has its grammar, that is rules and conventions and regulations. What is the need of preparing as per ISO and BIS standards? As a person in the field of engineering should possess the knowledge of this drawing. This language should follow certain rules, principles, conventions, representations, notation, standards, etc. to communicate the concept to everyone in the field of engineering. Therefore, a common concept drawing and design require some national and international standards, that is the Indian standard IS 696, which came into force in 1972, has revised some standards on 8 September 1972. To serve this purpose, Bureau of Indian Standards, that is abbreviation as BIS, is adopting the international standards in India on the code of practice for drawing, the latest being SP 46 2003. Similarly, the other standards are ANSI ANSI of American National Standard Institution and BS of Britain Standard Institution, DIN of German, a handbook by Doreser Normanis such ISO, International Standard or International Organization for Standardization. Role of engineering drawing in engineering education is while teaching majority of subjects, the figures or sketches of related subjects, objects or machines are used to explain the principle of operation and relation between the parts present in the object. Second role of engineering drawing is that if the figures or sketches are presented without following the rules and norms of the engineering drawing, then the required information about the object cannot be fully conveyed. Hence, the knowledge of engineering drawing is useful in understanding the sketches of all objects in any subject. Now let us see, for example, this is the engineering drawing. We can understand the sketches of all objects in any subject. P and P is the axis. Here the double I or forked end, pinhead, single eye or rod end, which is a knuckle joint. Now in this, there is a drawing instrument box is there. In the engineering drawing instruments box, it is a good set and quality of drawing instruments will enhance the quality and accuracy of drawing. List of drawing instruments in a drawing box. The following drawing instruments and other materials are needed for the drawing accurate and quality drawings. One is drawing board, T-square, set square, instrument box containing compass, divider, bow compass, pinpoint, scales, pencils, protractor, eraser, drawing pins or clips, drawing sheet. Modern instruments like mini drafter. So these are the instruments which are required in engineering drawing. Now in this summary, we are learned about what about the engineering drawing and importance of engineering drawing, what is the need for standards in engineering drawing, role of drawing in engineering education. Now let us solve the quiz questions. Number 1. Engineering drawing is used here to convey the ideas, opinions, designs effectively, to represent any object conveniently, to effectively show the size and shape of any object, all of the above. So in this question, which are D is the answer because all of the above. And next, second one, which language is an engineering drawing? Is called language of engineers. Design concept, oral communication, engineering drawing, none of the above. No. Which one is called language of engineers means engineering drawing is the language of engineers. Which institution in India, third question, which institution in India is responsible for maintaining standards for measurement, etc. So in this, BIS means Bureau of Indian Standards. ANSI, American National Standards, International Standards of International, ISO, and none. So for this third question, the answer is BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. Now let us continue the discussion with engineering drawing instruments. In this engineering drawing instruments, we are already learned, and in this special engineering drawing instruments, we are going to learn the objectives are as below. Drawing board and its specifications, the different instruments for engineering drawing, use of all instruments in engineering drawing, how to draw parallel, perpendicular, inclined lines easily using mini drafter. So these are the objectives which are going to learn in this engineering drawing instruments.
In this video, we will see about a drawing board. A drawing board is a kind of desk used for drawing or sketching on a large sheet of paper. In this video, we will see about a T-square and its use. It is used along with a table, a drawing board, drawing sheet, and pencil. A T-square is a technical drawing instrument used for drawing horizontal lines on a drawing sheet.
Now let us observe as the previous one.
In this video, we will see about a set square and its use. There are two different types of set squares available. Set square with 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degrees. And set square with 90 degrees, 45 degrees and 45 degrees. It is used along with drawing board, drawing sheet, drawing clip and pencil. A set square is an object used in engineering and technical drawing with the aim of providing a straight edge at a right angle and other particular planar angle to a baseline. In this video, we will see about a protractor and its use. It is used along with drawing sheet, drawing table, pencil. protractor. It is used to measure and draw angles. Pencils. 3 different grades of pencils are used in engineering drawing, namely 2H, H and HB pencil. In this video, we will see about what is a microtip pencil. A microtip pencil is a pencil with a replaceable and mechanically expandable solid pigment core inside called a lead. In this video, we will see about an eraser and its use. An eraser or rubber is an article used to remove unwanted pencil markings. In this video, we will see about a bow compass and its use. Bow compass is a simple device used to draw circles and arcs of smaller radii. In this video, we will see about a divider and its use. Normally, dividers are used along with a drawing table, drawing sheet, and scale. Divider is used for transferring measurements from one part of the drawing to another. In this video, we will see about what is a mini drafter and its use. A mini drafter is a modern device used to conveniently and easily draw parallel, perpendicular, and angular lines. It replaces the conventional scales and protractors for easy drawing. Before using a mini drafter, care should be taken that the mini drafter head is firmly locked at one corner of the drawing board. In this video, we will see about how to draw vertical and horizontal lines easily with a mini drafter. It is used along with drawing sheet, drawing table, pencil. With the help of a mini drafter, vertical and horizontal lines can be easily and accurately drawn. In this video, we will see what is zero error and how to avoid such error. Before using the mini drafter, it should be checked for zero error. If one edge of the mini drafter is coincide with the trimmed edge of the drawing sheet, the pointer should read 0. Otherwise, it shows 0 error. Now it shows an error of 4 degrees in one direction. If an angle of 30 degrees is to be set in the same direction, the scale is to be rotated through 34 degrees instead of 30. If the angle is to be set in the opposite direction, the scale is to be rotated through 26 degrees instead of 30 degrees. In this video, we will see how to set an angle of 30 degrees and 60 degrees with the help of a mini drafter. With the help of a mini drafter, any angle can be set easily. For example, to set an angle of 30 degrees, from the horizontal position, release a nut, rotate the scale through 30 degrees, tighten the nut and draw a line along the rotated edge of the scale. Set another 30 degrees from the current position, further rotate the scale through 30 more degrees and tighten the nut. Draw a line which will satisfy 60 degrees from the original position. In this video, we will see how a mini drafter is useful in drawing parallel, perpendicular and inclined lines. With the help of a mini drafter, parallel lines can be easily drawn. By setting one edge of the drafter coinciding with a line and moving it, a parallel line can be drawn. For angular lines, the scale can be rotated through a suitable angle and any line can be drawn. For perpendicular lines, one edge of the drafter should be coincided with the line and through the other edge, a perpendicular line can be drawn. The other edge, a perpendicular line can be drawn.
Now in this, what we learn is a summary, or we learn in this drawing board and its specifications, different drawing instruments for engineering drawing, use of all instruments in engineering drawing, how to draw parallel, perpendicular, inclined lines easily using mini drafter. Now we are going to learn some quiz type questions. Now in this quiz, first question, mention the instrument to be used to draw arcs of smaller radii. A. Big compass. B. Bow compass. C. French curve. D. None. So in this, Mention the instrument is used to draw arcs of smaller radii is that bow compass. Now second question, parallel line can be accurately drawn with set square, mini drafter, and scales A and B. So here we can use mini drafter and scales. Now one more, how can we identify true and false of the sentences? Or 2H pencil can be used to draw bold and thick lines? No, 2H is used for only light lines, not bold lines and thick lines. So like this, we are going to answer true and false questions. Now let us see in this types of lines and drawing sheets. So we are going to learn types of lines and drawing sheets as
Types of lines and applications. Continuous thick. It is used to show visible outlines and visible edges. Continuous thin. It is used to show imaginary lines of intersection, dimension lines, projection lines, leader lines, hatching outlines of revolved section. Chain thin. It is used to show center line, lines of symmetry, trajectories. Chain thick. It is used to indicate lines or surfaces to which a special requirement applies. Chain thin, thick at ends and changes of direction. It is used to show cutting planes. Dashed line. It is used to show hidden outlines and hidden edges. Dashed thick. It is used to show hidden outlines and hidden edges. Chain thin double dashed. It is used to show outlines of adjacent parts, centroidal lines, and to show alternate position of moving parts. Continuous thin with zigzags. It is used to show a long break in the line. Continuous thin freehand. It is used to show limits of partial or interrupted views and sections if the limit is not a chain thin line.
now let us observe all the lines as shown in the table. Now we are going to see the drawing sheets.
In this video, we will see about a drawing sheet. Drawing sheet is used to draw drawings. Drawing sheets are available in different sizes, namely A5, A4, A3, A2, A1 and A0.
Now let us note down the table. First note down all with the designation of trimmed side and untrimmed sides of A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Now continue.
In this video, we will see about the layout of a drawing sheet. Border lines are to be drawn in the drawing sheet, leaving a margin of 20 mm from the left and 10 mm from all the other three sides. At the right bottom corner, a title block is to be included. It should contain information like name, roll number, section, college, title of the drawing, exercise number, date, scale, checked by. At the top of the title block, a sentence, all dimensions are in mm. In this video, we will see about the simple geometric construction of dividing a circle into 12 equal divisions. Draw the circle and using the two scales, draw two lines passing through the center of the circle. Now rotate the scale through 30 degrees and again using the two scales, draw two lines passing through the center of the circle. Now further rotate the scale through 30 degrees and again draw two more lines. Now the circle is divided into 12 equal divisions. In this video, we will see about the construction of an equilateral triangle using compass. Draw a line of length equal to side of the triangle with a compass and radius equal to side of the triangle. Draw an arc from one end of the line and intercept the arc from the other end. Now complete the triangle. In the next video, we will see about the construction of an equilateral triangle using angles. In this video, we will see about the construction of an equilateral triangle using angles. Draw one side of the triangle. From one end of the line, set an angle of 60 degrees. From the other end, again set an angle of 60 degrees. Now complete the triangle. In this video, we will see about the construction of a regular pentagon with one side horizontal. Draw one side of the pentagon AB. Now set an angle of 72 degrees externally from end A and B. Now using a compass with radius 40 mm, trim the second and third sides of the pentagon and get points C and D. Now again using the compass with the centers D and C, get the point E. Complete the pentagon. In the next video, we will see about the construction of a regular pentagon with one side vertical. In this video, we will see about the construction of a regular pentagon with one side vertical. Now draw one side of the pentagon vertically, and from the two ends of the line, set an angle of 72 degrees externally. Now get the second and third sides of the pentagon. And using compass, get the fifth point. Complete the pentagon.
Now these are very much important. So again we are going to learn. So repeated here once again.
In this video, we will see about the simple geometric construction of dividing a circle into 12 equal divisions. Draw the circle and using the two scales, draw two lines passing through the center of the circle. Now rotate the scale through 30 degrees and again using the two scales, draw two lines passing through the center of the circle. Now further rotate the scale through 30 degrees and again draw two more lines. Now the circle is divided into 12 equal divisions. In this video, we will see about the construction of an equilateral triangle using compass. Draw a line of length equal to side of the triangle. With a compass and radius equal to side of the triangle, draw an arc from one end of the line and intercept the arc from the other end. Now complete the triangle. In the next video, we will see about the construction of an equilateral triangle using angles. In this video, we will see about the construction of an equilateral triangle using angles. Draw one side of the triangle. From one end of the line, set an angle of 60 degrees. From the other end, again set an angle of 60 degrees. Now complete the triangle. In this video, we will see about the construction of a regular pentagon with one side horizontal. Draw one side of the pentagon AB. Now set an angle of 72 degrees externally from end A and B. Now using a compass with radius 40 mm, trim the second and third sides of the pentagon and get points C and D. Now again using the compass with the centers D and C, get the point E. Complete the pentagon. In the next video, we will see about the construction of a regular pentagon with one side vertical. In this video, we will see about the construction of a regular pentagon with one side vertical. Now draw one side of the pentagon vertically, and from the two ends of the line, set an angle of 72 degrees externally. Now get the second and third sides of the pentagon. And using compass, get the fifth point. Complete the pentagon.
So we are studied the different types of lines used in engineering drawing, their representations and applications, specifications of A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 drawing sheets, layout of drawing sheet and importance of title block, simple geometrical constructions we are studied, and with this we are going to learn some quiz questions. Now, first question. The continuous thick lines in engineering drawing are used to represent a visible edges, hidden center lines. D is none. So in this, for this question is answer is visible edges. Continuous thick lines in engineering drawing are used to represent visible edges. Second question. The specifications of trimmed A1 size drawing sheet is D, that is 594 and 841. Now third question. The purpose of title block is to provide all important information about the drawing. Give attraction just to fill corner space, none. So for this question answer is provide all important information about the drawing. Fourth one, the construction of an equilateral triangle can be easily made using both A and B, that is compass and protractor. Now the frequency asked questions you note down all for the purpose of examinations point of view. Note down all. List the different types of lines. Mention the use of continuous thick and thin lines. What is a leader line? What are the different sizes of drawing sheets? Mention the specifications of A0, A and A2 size drawing sheets. Represent the typical layout of drawing sheet. Mention the purpose of title box. Draw a square of sides 30 mm. Draw a circle of 100 mm dia and divide into 8 equal parts. Now we are going to learn in the next chapter is heights and widths of letters. So with this concept we stop the stop here and we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.